Every creator you see today once started from zero, no audience, no views, no direction, just a dream. And I was one of them. I didn't start with fancy cameras or expensive software or a team behind me. I started with a simple laptop, basic skills, and a lot of confusion. There were days when I uploaded videos and got 0 views, and honestly, it felt like nobody was watching. Like maybe I wasn't good enough. But one day, I made a decision. I told myself, I don't need to be perfect, I just need to start. I started learning video editing, social media, and content creation step by step. Every day, I watched tutorials, practiced edits, and studied viral videos. And slowly, things started to change. My first improvement wasn't viral success, it was consistency. I kept uploading even when no one was watching. And then something unexpected happened. One video got more views than usual, then another, and slowly, I started understanding what works. I learned that content is not about luck, it's about learning patterns. Today, I don't see myself as someone who is just starting. I see myself as a creator in progress. I still learn, I still improve, I still experiment. But now I know one thing for sure. Every big creator you admire once struggled just like this. So if you are watching this and you feel like you're starting from zero, remember this. You don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to become great. This is my journey from zero to creator, and maybe this is just the beginning.